everyone, my name is Anna. Nice to have you here on my channel. Well, today I want to teach anyone who will be traveling to East Africa for them to be able to learn a bit of Swahili or Kiswahili to impress the locals. I am originally from Tanzania and I was born and raised there, so this is proper Tanzania Swahili that will make the locals, the local people smile when they hear you speak it. So let's get started. Habari, habari yako? Nzuri, niko poa. Mambo, poa. Tafadhali, asante, asante sana. Karibu, samahani, samahani. Unaongea Kiingereza? Sielewi. Nahitaji msaada. Ndiyo. Hapana. Kwaheri. That's all for today's video and see you on the next one. You all have a lovely week. Kwaheri. Bye.